how to turn on Safe Search filter on Google Chrome. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can turn on safe browsing on your Google Chrome. Let's dive right in. Open up your Chrome and then you need to go to the three dots in the top right. Scroll down to the bottom and go to Settings. Now, on the left-hand side, go to Privacy and Security. So there you need to go to Security and just you will see the safe browsing option there. You can tap on Enhanced Protection or Standard Protection and then Safe Search will be toggled on. So that's it. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.